called Dice It Up. And I got this inspired by Mike Morris on Twitter a few years ago, came out with the Dice Bonk one, and I'm like, dude, that's awesome. So I came up with this version. We're working on our rolling skills with this activity. Use it for 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So here's some equipment you're going to need, some kind of ball you want the kids to roll. We are using our My Shape cards from my website. You can get for free. You can use anything you want for points, caps, bean bags, playing cards, whatever you want for a point system. And then cones and dice. Any size dice will work. We scattered the cones down the center of the gym with the dice on top. We had our students going from the baselines of the gym. They can play by themselves or with a partner. But the object of the game, like I said, is to work on rolling. So that's where our focus is. They're going to roll from that baseline, trying to knock one of the dice off of one of the cones. So they want to knock a die off the cone. If they knock down 2, that's awesome. We just had them add it up. So if I knocked it down, which I totally missed, because I didn't aim right, I'd roll the ball, I would run out, I would grab my ball, and I'd run back. With large class sizes, you had a partner share, and then if not, they can play by themselves, they just get back and they roll again. Anytime they roll and that die falls off the cone, it's going to naturally roll and it's going to land on a number. Mine landed on a 6. Then we told the students, put the dice back on top of the cones when they fall down. Then we go to our point buckets. We have those cards I showed you, and they would grab that many. So I knocked down, it said 6, I would grab 6 cards, and then I get my ball and go back. Or I can get my ball, then go to the bucket and go back. So the students are just trying to collect as many cards as they can. At the end of the activity, to find a winner, we determine based off of shape or based off color, see how many red cards you have, how many blue cards, how many squares you have, whatever you want to use it for. Come up with your own unique way based off of what you're using for points. Hopefully your students will enjoy this one. I'm Coach Pirillo reminding you to keep on moving.